It's garlic harvest time again, and as you've seen probably 10 times before already, this is my garlic harvest and how everything did this year. You can see the tops are getting brown. We've been enjoying the escapes on the hardneck garlic there for a while, and the wind actually did a pretty good number on the garlic the other day. We had 2 days of high winds, and you can see the garlic got knocked over, and shallots are going to have to come out soon too. But today I'm just going to start, pulling the garlic out, and just one quick look around here. You can see everything's doing pretty good. My giant marigolds are just amazing this year. But anything the woodchuck didn't get to is doing good. So it looks like it's going to be a good year this year. Been hot and dry and a lot of watering. But anyhow, let's start yanking some garlic out. This first bed here is the hardneck garlic that I plant. It's a German type mild hardneck garlic that we like. And this one here does not store as long as the soft neck that we plant also. But you can see it's early for the harvest. We had a very warm winter and it started growing very early. And not really giant heads, but they're just about normal for this type of garlic here. About the same size we get all the time. So, and this was just planted in compost, so that's what it looks like. They do have a tremendous root system on them. Really, really beautiful, nice root system, and really a great aroma. We've enjoyed the escapes for the last couple of weeks. They've been good to munch on, but now it's time for this to come out, and I'll start curing it as I always do. I'll show you in the end. But there it is. Decent size. They're not small by any means, but they're not jumbos either. They're just about perfect size for this breed or variety. But boy, those roots are really dug in there. So I just thought I'd do another video and show you how much garlic you can grow in this is about a 42-inch diameter bed, and this will give us enough garlic for the year. Like I said, this hardneck garlic, it'll store a couple months once I cure it. And let's just pull that all out. Don't want to sit here and make you watch an hour of pulling garlic out, but as you can see, it all did well. And again, the mild winter probably got us started early, so this is really very early for our garlic. But I did get one bin full of the hard garlic to start out with. And again, some of them are, they're just about perfect size for the variety. So now let's go over to the soft neck garlic. And this one does have some bulbs that are a little bit bigger and a little bit different shaped bulb, a little bit different flavor. Both of them are very mild garlic though. We don't like the real strong pungent ones. So some of these are, a little bit tiny for some reason, but that's what I always get. Some nice ones, and those are beautiful right there. That's a really good size for the soft neck. I have no idea what this soft neck garlic name is. We got it from Tractor Supply probably 10 years ago, the first bulb, and I just keep replanting it, and it seems to do good, and we really like the flavor of it. And again, you can see, these little bins with a little bit of compost in them really do grow beautiful garlic, and well, by the time I dry it, we'll have garlic until next year's batch comes up. So there it is. And this is the one crop that basically is zero work, and I've never had anything attack it, or other than maybe a drought, but bugs and animals just don't touch it. You stick a couple bulbs in the ground in the fall. In the spring they start growing, and a couple months later, this is what you wind up with. So, I think it's the easiest grow crop out there, and I think everybody should try it if they want some unique flavored garlic that's, not like the stuff that you buy in the store. Anyhow, golf cart's loaded up, gonna go up and spread it out, and did want to do an update. This solar thing has been working out really good on the golf cart. pretty much always 100% charged when we leave it in the sun. We, use it all day long and no problems yet. That power booster has been great, and this battery has been great too. I really, we've been enjoying it. App works wonderful, and it's a great thing to do, I think. So I'm just going to spread this out up on the table on the porch here for a couple days, let it start drying. And then, as I've shown you before, I'll tie it up into bunches of maybe 6 and hang them in the root cellar for a couple months until all the greens pull the moisture out of the bulbs of garlic. And, then it'll store for a year. At that point, I'll cut the tops off and throw it in a bin. So that's the harvest this year. Just thought I'd share this with you and, show you it was actually a pretty good year. The mild winter seemed to help, but it was an early year, but really nice crop. So again, if you're going to plant anything, I would recommend trying some garlic because it's just so easy to plant and you really don't have to do anything to it and nothing bothers it. So really give it a try someday if you haven't. Pick up a bulb of seed type garlic in the fall, and once you do that, you'll have garlic for life. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.